School project on magnetic force car prepared for Sahana and Sadhana of class 3 in NSN Higher Secondary School by Bala Krishna Stationary, Vignesh Nagar, number 2 Kuriji Street, Chromepet, Nemilicherry. Using cardboard, origami sheet of paper, ice cream sticks, straws and scrap water bottle caps and magnets. These cars, if we use the magnetic key given atop them, they will start slowly moving backwards using the push force. See, the push force is pulling the car backwards. This is the project for class 3 given by NSN Higher Secondary School. We are happy to present it to the parents of Sahana and Sadhana. Thank you for watching this video.